In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a Fortnite account on PC. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. When you want to play Fortnite on PC, you will get a pop-up telling you that you have to set up an Epic Games account. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the proper way of setting up your Epic Games account so you can play Fortnite on PC. So to start this process, go over to the Epic Games website or alternatively Fortnite.com. Regardless of which option you pick, you will be able to create your Epic Games account that is mandatory to play Fortnite on all platforms. So after you arrive at the Fortnite website or the Epic Games website, click on this little user icon that you can find on the top of the screen at the navigation bar. When you click on the user icon, you will be redirected to this page where you can input an email address to sign into a pre-existing account or sign up to create a new one. Alternatively, you can also choose any of the options listed here. Once again, you will either sign into a pre-existing account that has a link established with these options here, or you are going to be able to create a new account from scratch using the information provided by the service that you chose. For this video, I'm going to keep it simple and I'm just going to type a random email address to demonstrate this process. So type your email address here and you will be able to click continue. This is going to see if the email is already registered to an Epic Games account, and if it is detected to not have been registered in the past, you will be able to start the sign up process. So include your date of birth, click continue, and now you can input all the other information. So you will be able to choose your country, first name, last name, the display name that you want to use, which is going to be equal to your ID, how other people are going to be able to see and find you in game, and the password. Read and agree with the terms of service, continue, and you will be able to have your Epic Games account set up. This account is going to be the one that you will be using to play Fortnite on PC and all other platforms. After you are done with the sign up process, download the Epic Games Launcher over here. And after you have the Epic Games Launcher on your computer, sign into the same Epic Games account that you just created. You will see a login screen exactly like the one on the website, where you can input the email address or continue with any of the services here. Afterwards, you will be able to find Fortnite on the store over here. So choose store, select Fortnite, get the game, and it is always going to be available in your library for you to play whenever you wish. I hope I was able to help you on how to make a Fortnite account on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.